today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Amazon shipping app. So all you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Click on this sign. When you just click on it here, when you click on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list you will find here. There's in the recommendations, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You will find here savings here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here savings notifications disabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.